Hello traders, hope you all enjoy trading. Miss you all. In this video, I will share some of my entry reasons and my trades for this week. Hope that will help you to improve your skills and help you to create your setups. The first entry I have this week, it was USD CHF that gave me 70 pips. It was a very simple setup. It was a very old resistance area and the price did as the price did before. The price closed below this resistance and the back tree test. I waited the price to go up, and when I have this amazing bearish candlestick, I entered the asset trade from here, and it gave me 70 pips as I mentioned. This Euro AUD was today. I put this buy limit order at the beginning of the week. Why I put it? It was a very good resistance and support area. Put the price many times to upside and forced the price to go down very hard many times. So I put this buy limit order at the beginning of the week, and it activated today early and gave me 65 peps. The third entry was cat JPY. It was a very simple setup, also 150 peps, zero drawdown. Weekly closure was very good and very hard bearish candlestick. I waited the price to go back to the same area, and then when the price gave me this bearish price action, I entered a sell trade and it gave me more than 150 peps. EuroCAD, I entered at the beginning of the week, now 200 peps profits. It was a very simple setup. It was a very good resistance and support area. Pushed the price many times to upside. I waited the price to close above with this amazing bullish candlestick, and I waited at 4 hours time frame to enter a buy trade, and I entered and it gave me 200 peps. And the best entry for this week was US 30. It gave me 500 peps, zero drawdown. It was a very simple setup. We have a very good weekly closure above this very strong resistance area that pushed the price to downside many times. We have amazing bullish closure. I waited on daily time frame and 4 hours time frame, and I entered a buy trade. It gave me 500 peps, zero drawdown. GPP USD that I shared with you guys for free. It was a very simple setup. We have amazing daily closure above with this hammer candlestick. It was just an amazing bullish price action. I waited the price to close above, and this was a fake bearish price action. And on 4 hours time frame, we have multiple hammer candlesticks and multiple wicks, so that uh, told me that the price will continue to upside. I shared this entry with you guys for free. It gave me more than 130 peps, zero drawdown. Also, GPP NZD gave me 220 peps. It was just an amazing entry. Also, it was an old entry, old place to enter a sell trade. I waited the price to close below daily and weekly time frame. Closure was great, and I waited on 4 hours time frame. The price gave me this amazing bearish candlestick. I entered the asset trade and it gave me 220 peps, 120 peps for free. And the next pair was GPP CAD. I entered two entries on this pair. It was very good. Weekly closure was amazing. Just this hammer or pen bar candlestick, it was just an amazing candlestick that told me that the price will move to upside very hard. So I go to 4 hours and daily time frame to find a very good area to can enter, and I just see this old trade and old entry place, and I entered a buy trade with this amazing bullish candlestick. I put this limit order. It fully closed 250 pips, and the second entry, it was a very simple. I have this support and resistance always in my chart. So I entered another entry from here, and now 130 pips, zero drawdown. Also, I have AUD USD. It was a very simple setup, but it had one trick. I waited the price to close above with this amazing daily candlestick above this previous support and new resistance. So I should put my limit order from here, but after that, I see that we have this very sharp bearish candlestick. So I wasn't sure 100% that the price will move to upside. So I waited the price to close above again. And then I put my limit order and it activated and gave me 65 or 70 pips. And the final entry I entered today, it was CHF JPY. It was just an amazing entry. It was a scalping entry with 30 pips stop loss and 100 pips profits. Why I entered, we have multiple daily candlesticks close above this previous support, and it a very good support to push to the price many times. So I put this buy limit order yesterday night, and it activated early today and gave me 100 pips zero drawdown. So I shared a lot of my entry reasons to help you to, as I mentioned, improve your skills. And I hope that you will like this video, and I hope it will help you to improve your skills and create your entries. And always my advice, you should follow the price action. It's my favorite method to analyze the market. So, and also don't even enter a trade without stop loss. Stop loss protect you from big losses. So hope you all benefit from this video, and see you next week inshallah.